Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to offer commuter benefits in Gusto. Want to help your employees save on their daily commute? Gusto allows you to offer commute benefits like transit and parking pre-tax deductions, and here's how to set all that up. First step, go to the benefits section. You gotta log into your Gusto admin account. Just navigate to benefits, other benefits. From here, look for the option labeled commuter benefits. And that's step 2. You're going to set up a new commuter benefits. Now just click add a benefits and then choose commuter benefits from the list of available. And Gusto partners with providers like WageWorks or Navia to handle benefits administrations while you manage settings and deductions in Gusto. Step 3, just configure plan details. Now you'll be asked to provide the provider you're using. You're also going to need to provide the type of benefit that you're going to offer, as well as monthly pre-tax limits based, of course, on the current IRS guidelines. Also, any employer contributions. Now just double check those limits because they can change annually. Step 4, enable employee enrollments. Now, once your plan is active, Gusto will notify eligible employees and they can enroll directly through their dashboard and select how much they want to deduct each month. Step 5, payroll syncs contributions automatically. Now, every payroll run will now include the pre-tax deductions for transit and or parking, and of course any other employer match if you set one. Now you'll find this data under reports, benefit contributions, or rather under reports and benefits, contributions for tracking and tax purposes. Step 6, make adjustments as needed. Now, if you need to pause contributions or to update limits or simply to remove an employee from the plan, you can manage everything from the same commuter benefits screen, and changes are reflected in the next payroll cycle. That's it. With Gusto, setting up commuter benefits is a smooth ride with absolutely no traffic jams. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys in the next one.